Fan sound is considered beneficial for sleep at night because it creates white noise, masks disruptive sounds, helps regulate temperature, and promotes relaxation, all contributing to deeper, more restful sleep. Below is a step-by-step presentation explaining why fan sound is good for sleep. Each step illustrated with a suggested type of image relevant to the concept. 1. Creates white noise. The constant hum of a fan produces white noise, which contains equal intensity across all frequencies. This background sound masks sudden disturbances like outside traffic or household noises that can interrupt sleep. S2. Masks disruptive environmental sounds. White noise from a fan reduces the impact of sudden external noises, helping the brain focus on a steady, non-intrusive background sound instead of intermittent audio distractions, facilitating uninterrupted sleep. 3. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress presentation. The soothing and predictable sound of a fan calms the mind and helps reduce stress and anxiety, which often interfere with falling asleep. 4. Regulates bedroom temperature. Fans provide airflow, which helps regulate body temperature during sleep. Maintaining a cool environment prevents overheating, promoting comfort and deeper sleep. 5. Supports deep sleep and better sleep patterns. Presentation. Research indicates that steady fan noise extends the duration of deep sleep and REM sleep cycles, leading to more restorative sleep for both mind and body. 6. Improves comfort and sleep routine. By creating a consistent sleep environment, a fan helps develop a bedtime routine, signaling to the body and mind that it's time to sleep. This consistency results in improved overall sleep quality. 7. Reduces allergens and keeps room fresh. Besides the audio benefits, fans circulate air and help prevent the buildup of stale air or allergens, contributing further to comfort and health during sleep. Thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe